If you don't know the story, it's about a lady from Samaria who was going to a well to get some water. And she had no idea that Jesus was at the well, because he wasn't supposed to be there. Because the Jews and the Samaritans were in discord. And it wasn't ordinary for him to be in that part of the country. So when she got to the well, she encountered a well sitting on a well. That's all right, I'll preach it later. Y'all pray for me. Gunning, shunning, running from all that was right. Living and giving all that I am to darkness instead of the light. I could not understand there was a master's plan, so I cast all my pearls to man. I am the woman at the well. This is the story that I must tell. I simply wanted a drink. I did not think that I was about to have an encounter with my Savior, who would change me to my very core, my thoughts and my behaviors. I was thirsty. I simply just wanted a drink. I am the woman at the well. I had no idea he was calling me out of the abyss. I had no clue that he sealed my purpose with a heavenly kiss. This was like any other day. As I moved in my comfort zone, you know, like we do in that familiar way, I didn't know that Jesus would be waiting for me and connect me to my destiny, because I am the woman at the well. Tattered and torn by life's raging storm, he went out of his way. He waited for me. For me. For me. For me. He waited for me. I was thirsty. He gave me living water. He thought I was worth saving. Me, the woman at the well. And he gave me everlasting water to drink. If anyone should ever ask my life story, would you tell them that Jesus is the best thing that ever happened to me? I am the woman at the well.